Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese Hakka noodles. First, boil 200 grams of Hakka noodles according to package directions until they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. While the noodles cook, finely chop 1 medium onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Having all your ingredients prepped beforehand makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Add the finely chopped garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, toss in your chopped onions and bell peppers, cooking them until they are slightly tender crisp, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for your sauce base. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Add the boiled Hakka noodles to the wok with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in your prepared sauce mixture. Gently toss all the ingredients together using tongs, ensuring the noodles are thoroughly coated with the delicious sauce. Finally, stir in about 50 grams of grated cheese. Let the cheese melt beautifully into the hot noodles, creating that irresistible creamy texture we're aiming for. To finish, garnish your delicious cheese Hakka noodles with some freshly chopped spring onion greens for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve these hot, cheesy noodles immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best, while the cheese is still wonderfully gooey and melted. They make a fantastic meal on their own or as a side dish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.